Hello.
Gaano na?
Ayan.
Na.
Ano ba ga?
Refresh mo. Hello. Hello, ma. Nag-live na. Wala, daddy. Naka-private mo kayo din eh.
Wala ko nagmasayin mo na.
Ano na? Public.
Basta ko nakasayin.
Sige. Meow, 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 meow. Live stream. Random live stream. Live stream. Face reveal. Part 2. Na-delete. Si last live stream. Maringani. Nahiling na naman ng mukha niya. Kaya data na hepon. I-ano. Live stream. Live stream na naman. Woo! Kung ano naman ang mukha mo. We have a face reveal. Face mask na. Ano pang gibon ko ma dyan sa live stream?
Anything.
Is ka ano?
Yeah.
Iyo?
Ano,
Pwede ako magluwas?
No, sabi mo dito na bumili na sa ating tindahan.
Ako na na.
It's private.
Yan, daddy, private mo baga daddy ang live stream? Naka-private. Oh, ilang iki mami, naka-private. This vid is private.
Ito na. Private talaga yan. Saan yan? Balik. Off naman na dito kapag nagluwas ka di. Okay. Ano ito? Saan na yan?
Ayun na.
Hello. Di ba mga
Baga. Sa'yo mo gayud mo. Hello.
Oh.
Hello, I'm live. We're live. Woo! Fun things. I don't know what to do in this live stream.
I-delete mo nga ito. I-delete mo ni.
Woo!
I-delete ito paysa ni daddy mo.
Sa'yo mo gayud yan, ma. Si ano. Hello. Hello, Daya. So what are we going to do in this live stream? Okay. Oh. Adventure time. Woo! Iyo. Ayo, lakaw kita sa luwas. Ma, face mask ko, ma. It's blurry. Nag-blur. Ayan na. Face mask ko, ma.
Pwede mo hihim ko.
Ha? Ha?
Pwede mo.
Mas susun ka diba dati?
Takad dyan ako.
Okay. Natatakad si Arate ang lana. Woo! Akala ko pala kung anong sabi mo pa ilong. Excuse me. Face reveal. Arate, mabilis. Duwa ng viewers ta. Woo!
Para pumili.
Duwa na. Iyo. Tulo na. Woo! Dito to.
Saka si Tito Joey.
Bako, si ano ni, last years ka ni. Okay. Kinda ka sa luwas.
Kalumit.
We're going to take a stroll.
Ano lang po ka na? Ayun ka na.
Ay. Alayaw man ining face mask.
340.
Okay.
Sigang ko adyan ako na makita doon sa taas. Sigang ko ami dyan. Ay, naputol.
Iyo.
Ano dyan?
Broke. Ano?
It broke.
Yes, it's broken. Pretty weak.
Face mo sa kumalawa.
It's broken.
Let's
Broken the light.
go for adventure. Make sure to wear your face mask. Naka-face mask ka na. Okay. Nasa luwas na kita. Ayun, bakal na niya. Bakal kita dating Japanese cake. Snakanta. Okay. Japanese cake.
Interview mo ang interview mo ang
Hello, if you can answer this question, mabakal ako. Ano ang 1+1?
1 plus 1.
Ay, tama. Ano? Sa pera daw. Ang, ano?
Ani.
Hello. Hello. Live stream. Yay.
Gawin mo naman.
Tama.
Bata ko. Ngayon, talo mo pa kami ha. Samantalang kami, mas matanda mo ngayon. Pero, iba talaga pag ano.
Buy at this Japanese cake store. Ma, nagapot na ang viewer. Masainda kita. Ma. Ha? Iyo, may naghapot. Where are we going?
Sinubla na kita na.
Ha?
Sinubla na kita.
Ha?
Sinubla na kita.
Ayan po.
Thank you.
Salamat. Mama, oh. Here's the Japanese cake.
Pero piraso.
Ha? 6.
Sa harap lang ito.
Iya, ano?
Ako ano ni?
Oh, 5. Oh. Shout out po sa naka-bike ride. Woo! Shout out.
Ulang isa ko. Hindi na pabasa ka.
Yan ah. Maglo. Ma, open mong stream me. Look at the stream. Oh, ayan na. Oh. Ma, masainda kita.
Tawag siyempre.
Okay. Kailan takong sa'yo makaabot ang internet me? Alingi, dyan sa ano. Alingi, dyan oh. Okay. Woo! Pasahin daw kita. Okay, let's see. Daddy, pasahin daw kita. Sabi daw akong commenter. Ha?
Gusto mo dumas dito mo, Joel?
Ayo, dumaan na si Tito Joel. Naka-on kini daddy ang may mobile data? Daddy? Okay. Ama, maduwan lang daw ako sa Vilmar. Interviewin ko lang.
Uy, ano ba eh?
Sabi na daddy.
Hindi ka lang, Diamond na. Hindi ka lang daw. Ako daw.
Ay, interviewin ta.
Hindi ka lang.
Sayang. Ano pa daddy? Sabi na akong viewer, masainda kita.
Hindi lang yan. Hindi lang
Sige. Hindi lang daw dyan sa tindahan, aka CALAUAG. Okay.
Ang malag ng
Ama.
basa ko ni Bagan ako. Hindi mo
Ay,
napabasa.
nabasa ko yan, nabasa ko.
Si ano, Joshua James Boragay.
Kasi no,
Milyares
sa
Vlog.
naka-bike ride.
Shout out sa naka bike ride.
Yes. Oh, ano pa? Ano lang ta? Sama sa inda kita.
Yan ka lang nga, you study here.
Oh, makaparingan man yan.
You study
Pretty,
in,
ano,
in our store.
It's a pretty boring live stream kung naka-steady lang kita dyan. Oh, yan na. Oh. Ako pagalan maglako. Oh, baka nila ka madigdi. Sabi na ni mami. Baka nila ka mo. Mama sa inda, giraray. Sabi da. Mama sa inda, giraray.
Kailangan tayo.
Hindi lang da. Okay. Ma, any ideas? Any more ideas for the live stream?
Tulo na lang.
Ma. Ma. Do you have any more ideas?
Nothing, anything.
Anything?
Just speak.
Mm.
Talk to them.
But that's pretty boring.
You go to daddy.
Daddy, ano da meaning kang anything?
Anything, kahit ano.
Oh, tanang boring na daw ang mga viewer. Oh, maano. Oh, yan, dala na si Daddy mag-ano. Intuitive content. High octane, high optimized video.
Pasya mo doon sa may barangay hall.
Ha?
Mag-walking ka doon sa may barangay hall. Hanggang doon
Hindi naman yan. Kung si Mami mag-alaw. Ma! Ma! Pasyal daw kita dyan sa barangay hall. Pasyal daw kita sa barangay hall. Pasyal daw kita dyan sa barangay hall.
Kaya lang.
O sige. High optimized
Yan, dapat
gameplay.
magsalita ka kung nasaan ka.
Yeah.
Yan lang, kalawag elementary.
Ang pwede, nadadalan mo man ako.
Okay.
Ang pwede, di mo na kumawara. Dali na guys, maduwa na kita sa Vilmar. Dali! Okay. Ay pa. Okay, let's go! Woo! Overflocking. This is actually a traveling stream. Malaka na yun dyan sa barangay ko. Sa pwede kita makalaog. Bakit ka na ako si vaccination card ko? Dahil pagpabag naman. Madala ko sa barangay ko. walking. Woo! Walking. Problems. Because using data is very hard. Because this place is little has no mobile network. Pretty tiring. As you can see, there's a lot of dog poops. I wonder. Crossing the road. Crossing the road. We're crossing the road. Crossing the road. Crossing the road. Okay, you can see that it's practically very windy. Right now you can probably hear the wind. It's still making noise. I don't think I can go in there. Okay, here's Barangay Hall. And all its glory. Whoop. Now let's go. Now that's the multi-purpose building, if you can see it. And now let's go to Vilmar because that's the entire point of this stream. We go to Vilmar. Let's go. Running. 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 Let's go. That's the store. We're going to rent a pajak to go to Vilmar. We're gonna interview someone there. Hala po. Oh, I'm sorry. I guess running is sorry for that. I'm just not experienced in doing live streams. So tired. Ajak. Vilmar. Vilmar. Okay. Kaya na po, Ajak. I'm going to Vilmar. Running is hard. Vilmar lang kita. We're gonna interview someone there. I'm still might be laggy.
Why did
I'm not sure. Spam face reveal if you can see it. Traveling stream. Traveling stream. I wonder who is there. 100 viewers are. Woo, music. A lot of stores are still shut down. It's practically very early. Woo!
Diretso lang?
Yes, sabi na lang kung para. It's very cold here. I want to check out my English speaking skills. Very good at speaking English. I'm pretty fluent at it. Ano?
Makapot yung bariya.
Ay, makapang ba yan? Let me check. Okay. Salamat.
Wala na.
Bye-bye. Okay, we're at Vilmar. This is the first live stream where we reach Vilmar. Oh, a lot of memories here. The unconventional road, the other house, and now we reached Vilmar. Woo! Live stream. I wonder if anyone's home during this live stream. Hello? We want to interview someone. Someone wants to get interviewed. This is a live stream, by the way. What? It's explain. No, padjak. Anyways. Okay, this is live. Yes, this is live. You can see it. Woo! Okay, Tito Tess, you're the one I'm gonna be interviewing. Because Tito Joel doesn't want to be interviewed. I wonder if this still is live.
Baka mag-nosebleed ako. English kaya natin mag-interview.
Okay. Okay. Let's go downstairs.
Madalang ako.
Huh? Okay. Yes, I'm to interview you. Okay. The signal is running out. But still, for the interview. Okay, Tita Tess, we want to interview you. What's your experience on Tito Joel's several unconcerned anxiety attacks and seizures? Ayun, man sabi ni Daddy. Interviewin ko datal, gay ka. Tita Tess, what can you say about how your experience with Tito Joel so far and his recovery? It's very tiring. Okay, let's see if anyone's here still here. We're taking a break for a moment because running from Barangay Hall is very tiring. Hey, come on, I want to interview you. Okay, seems like our traveling stream is semi-successful. We traveled somewhere while being on live, and now we're here at the Vilmar. Cameraman POV. Woo, that's what I look like. Anyways, this is Vilmar. I wonder where we are going next. Any suggestions to any place? Any suggestions? Do you have any suggestions on where should I go next? Because I already reached Barangay Hall, City Hall. Okay. Any suggestions where I'm going next? Any suggestions? At least say something. I went here not for nothing. This is pretty boring live stream. Okay, let's see. Do you have any suggestions on what place should I visit next? Manila, okay. Next. Anyone? Does anyone has any suggestions? Okay, let's see. I think this live stream is semi-successful. We didn't got to interview the ones that you want to interview, but at least we tried. So So, what do I do now? Okay, let's see. Go downstairs. This might disconnect me for a moment, but don't worry. Okay, we're downstairs. It's pretty echoey, but not mostly in Philippines. Shout out sa na bike ride. Ah, it's pretty tiring. Anyways, let's take a stroll around this place. Let's go. Woo, we're outside. Woo. Nope, taking a stroll. Okay, this is Wilmar. Pretty interesting. Surprisingly, we're walking. Where should I go next? Should I walk my way home? Probably. Should I? Hello. Ano po? Ne? Hello yun na? Ay, habo ko. Si Simon yan. I wonder where should I go next. Anyways, I'm walking this place. It's very tiring. Anyway, we're going to walk our way home since that will prolong the live stream a bit. Because I'm running out of ideas and I need to do something because I didn't. Okay. It's very boring. What did I do next? What should... Ideas. I do have to. Let's see if I can think up on some crazy shenanigans that can cause this live stream to not fail. Let's see. Nope, not political. I wonder what that place leads to. Adventure stream. Anyways, we're going to take a stroll in wherever I want to since I'm the one only present. Plus, I pretty know this place well, so I won't get lost. Probably. I hope so. Motorcycles are surprisingly loud. We're walking since I don't want to post anymore. Walking stream. Taking a stroll. How the what our viewers are this? Anyways. Hello. Hello, Ate Karen. Long time no see. Anyways. Last night, at least, I think it was 4. I woke up and there was no electricity. It was very dark. And I was surprised since I thought our solar batteries had enough power to get us through. But surprisingly, it didn't. So we were in a pitch black scenario. Very dark and pretty scary. I woke up and there's a flashlight beside me. So I didn't know what to do. So immediately took my covers, did my brushing and did random stuff, and I watched videos on YouTube to wait until I get called. Okay. I wonder what route should we take? Tired. I wonder if someone can recognize me or something. In my dreams. What route should we take? We're adventuring. Yay! Should I take this route? Okay, bye-bye. I wonder, should I take this route? Okay. Let's see. This stream is pretty boring. I have no idea what other content I should do. I have no ideas for this stream. I just decided to open the stream. It is tiring. What else should I do? Comment down below on what should I do. I have no more ideas. Construction site. Tarataran, entertaining music. Tarataran. Anyone wants to buy that motorcycle? It says for sale. Anyways, let's grab our phone. There's no practical, interesting ideas for this stream. Nope. Not know what should I do. This stream is practically boring. I wish I could insert music. Inserting music. Let's take up the view over there. The first walking video was right over there. Let's try to go there. But first we need to ask permission to visit the 9 realms. This is pretty tiring. Walking. It's the pink house. Walking stream. It's a walking stream. What? I'm running out of jokes. Look at the trees. Woo. Okay, we're near our home destination. Let's pretend to be a customer. Bakal. Hello. Ay! Bakal. Ha? Pixelated? Oh, mali na kayo ang internet. The net is very bad. I'm so sorry. It's pixelated. At busy. Oh. Oh, it's pretty bad, isn't it? I can't really tell. Oh, it's pixelated. Oh. The net is very bad. Oh. Oh.